Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to create and utilize trainings templates. Training templates are effective when managing multiple staff members who require the same qualifications. They save time and reduce manual entry. To begin, navigate to the Templates tab, then select the Trainings sub-tab. Click the plus template button to start. First, you will need to select the training type. Note that this field, along with your user groups, is managed within the Settings menu by clicking the blue button. Next, provide a clear name for the training and fill in the remaining data. Here, you can also decide whether the training is recurring. If it is, you can specify the required intervals to ensure your team remains compliant over time. Set your near due days to give a warning when the deadline approaches. Let's create a few quick examples to demonstrate. Just like other templates in Wingops, it includes a Files Notes tab for attaching reference documents and an Activity tab that logs any changes made to the template. Now that our templates are built, let's look at how to efficiently apply them. Navigate to the Staff tab and select the specific team member you want to update. Go to their individual trainings tab. Hover over the plus training button, while you can create a new training from scratch here. Click Select Template to use the ones we just created. From the menu, simply select all the relevant templates you wish to assign to this person. If you need to make adjustments to a specific training for an employee, such as logging a unique performed date or adding additional information, you can do so by clicking the Edit button. When you enter the performed date, the system will automatically calculate the expiration date. It will also show a near due status beforehand if you have configured the near due days field. These personal adjustments will only apply to this employee and will not affect your master template. From this same view, you can also delete a training record entirely if it is no longer applicable or was assigned by mistake. Thank you for watching.